A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for balloon, floating in the street. C is for cat, who loves to purr. D is for duck, quack quack for sure. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, hopping all day long. G is for guitar, strum strum strum. H is for horse, gallop to the drum. I is for igloo, icy and cold. J is for jellyfish, wiggly and bold. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar, oh my. M is for monkey, swinging on a tree. N is for nest, home for a chickadee. O is for octopus, wiggling 8 arms. P is for penguin with snowy charms. Q is for quail, quick on its feet. R is for rainbow, colorful and neat. S is for sun, shining bright all day. T is for train, chugging on its way. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, music floating by. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, playing happily. Y is for yak with fur so thick. Z is for zebra with stripes so quick. Now we know our A to Z. Let's sing again so joyfully.
1, 2, 3, let's start with me. Counting numbers so easy to see. 1 step forward, 2 steps more. 3 little friends are not